Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hema and you're watching Happiness and Lifestyle. I'm getting a handbag video for you guys. So if you're already subscribed to my channel, you would have seen my TJMaxx. Like I took you guys to a couple of TJMaxx that I had just recorded and showed some designer handbags and stuff. So I got one handbag that day, but I didn't get like the very luxury one because I'm still not ready for that. I don't know, I cannot really think about spending more than $300 on a bag right now, even though I do go and buy two bags and which might end up like being like 300, but I don't know. It's just mentally I think like I'm not ready to actually go for a designer bag, like very high end. I'm like, what I mean is like LV or something. I don't know, in my mind I feel like I don't deserve that yet. That's how I think in my mind. Like I'm like, I have to do something in my life, like I don't know what it is, but I need to achieve something more, do a little more hard work or something to be able to get that LV bag or Gucci or something. I don't know. It's just me, because that's how I gauge my hard work. So the handbag that I got, guys, from TJMaxx is this. What is in this bag? Okay, this is the TJMaxx bag that I kept it in. And what is this stuff that I got here? Oh, just my ring. I kept my rings in order to wear it, but it was in the bag. Okay, so this handbag, guys. So black again. I don't know what's going on with me. I'm like on a black handbag trend right now. So I got this black Dooney and Bourke, and it is like not like big. I know I had showed you guys Dooney and Bourke before. I forgot what the Greta, I think the Greta signature handbag, and I still have that. I love that bag. And that is a little bigger in size. It's like not this much. This is a little bit smaller in size than that. If I compare, this is a little bit smaller. And the reason I got this is because I have been seeing this in TJMaxx, and I don't really need another black handbag. I do have enough black handbags, but and also I also got a black handbag from Dillard's. So I'm like, I don't know why I needed it, but the reason I got it is, I'll show you why. This is the reason, which is not a good reason. It was 119 and then they had made it 96. Let me show the inside now. So this is, oh yeah, let me share the name with you guys. So I bought it for 96, and you will still find this at TJMaxx for 120, like not, yeah, 119, 99 is basically 120. This is the Darcy Satchel. So it is retailed at 248. So it's called the Darcy Satchel, and it is retailed as 248. So I thought it was really a good price for. If it was a little bigger, I probably wouldn't have got it, but because it was a smaller size than that, and it's perfect for me to like as a shoulder bag, so that's why I got it. And then, and just, it was 96, I just got it, but then I was like still thinking whether I have to keep it. And then when I opened inside, let me show you why I was like, I didn't want to return anymore now. Because, I mean, there's just the regular, like their bag, their dust bag. And then this is why I don't want to return now, because I really love it because of this. Now this is like the strap that they've given, but this is like really long, okay? But there is something different about this. That is, there are two straps in it. Actually, let me show you the strap first and then I'll show you the handbag. So if you see, there are actually kind of two straps attached to each other, and I was like, oh my god, that would look very ugly when you wear it, because you will be able to see this connection here, then this connection here, too many connections if you're trying to wear it as a crossbody, right? But for me, It's like really very long to wear it as a crossbody anyway, so I would not really wear this one like a crossbody, because if I'm taking this kind of handbag out, then I'm going to make it heavy. That's the reason I would take it out, is because I want to be putting a lot of stuff in. So when you, this now again, I have put it in the last, no actually I have not put it in the last hole, one hole is still there. So I put it in like last but one here, and here also I put it in the last but one this side. So this is like the longer, this is how long it can go. It can go a little more longer because there's one more hole in each side. And see that I'm never going to use this like a crossbody like this. It's going to look odd. So then I figured out something here that made me very happy. Now the attachment is here, right? So this is attached here, then this you attach here. So in the middle you can actually take this strap off and this middle strap and then connect these two. So I can take that off, right? So take this, the middle strap off, and then again this is the Darcy satchel. Take this off, and then so that's the whole, you know, extra strap you have, and you probably can use it somewhere. It looks like a belt. Now I can put this in this, and I can make it how much ever length I want. So I can just make it like a shorter length like that and put it on the shoulder, and it'll be like this is like I'm putting in the last hole here, so then it'll give me that much space, and I can even make it a little more higher and make it like a good shoulder bag, you know, if it is very heavy. So that is what really made me happy about this bag, that I love that. So look at that. See, now I can wear it like so comfortably, even if it gets heavy. Like I can, and it's not like a very long strap. When it is this much, you can always like just leave it like that and like hold like that, like you can still have that around, right? And then when you want to, you can just hold it like that. So that's what really sold me out on this. So now let me show you the inside. So those are the straps, and then I don't know if you want to see all these buckles and stuff. Yeah, there's just plain buckles. There's nothing really around it. Yeah, these they don't write any Dooney Bourke or anything like that around them. So then inside is same lining, like this red lining. So I'm gonna take all that stuff out, and inside it's just the same. This is my receipt from TJMaxx. It's just the same bag as like every other bag. It's just like red interior leather with one zip on this side, and then zip and a compartment. Like there's a zip, and then below that there's a zip compartment, and then an open compartment, and then there are two open pockets right here. Yeah, there. So one there and one here. So this like a big open compartment, and then like a smaller open compartment. So two open compartments right there. So it's just simple like that. And then what is this tag in here? And then you have this this thing that, hold on, let me just cut this off. Okay, so this key fob, and like you know, every Dooney and Bourke, doesn't matter which one it is, they always have this black metal. The key fob is like always this black metal thing here. So that's the one there, and then that's it. It's just really a simple zipper inside. See that? Just a leather tab, and now I'm trying to figure out if this is canvas or if this is leather. That's what I want to know. I am not sure. It does look like leather. It doesn't look like the canvas material at all. It is leather actually. I don't think it's canvas material. I'm trying to see if anything is written here, but okay, maybe I have to Google it and try to see. But it seems like leather, but it seems like that Safiano leather, not the yeah, not like pebble leather or grain leather or whatever. It's like, it seems like the Safiano leather, but so on the side it looks like that. So I love that stitching over it. You know, I feel like it gives that look to that black bag. So same thing. Then the Dooney and Bourke logo here. In the back it's just like that. And then the bottom is cute too because it has the tiny legs in the bottom. So it has this tab here with these legs. So anybody have this bag, let me know if this is actually the leather that I think it is, like the Safiano leather, because it doesn't seem like the canvas like the other one. The other one I have, the Greta one, is like that's a canvas material. But this also seems like such a durable material. It seems like something like I would be able to take even if it is raining outside, you know, something like that. So just that leather is like, feels like that. So that is it for this handbag, guys. It's not like really nothing much to share. I'll just like show it again a little bit closer. Okay, I think the sun is like glaring. And then on the top, on the side, and on this, the bottom. And I love how, like in Dooney, the best thing I like is the way they have this red color interior. I love that. And then there is this Dooney Bourke, the tab there, as usual, like all their bags. And then the zipper, yeah, just that zipper like that. Just a simple zipper. And then it is kind of dome shaped, right? The shape here is kind of like that dome shape like that. And another thing is like, see that shape is like that. And I like that it sits like that, right? The handles like any other Dooney. So it's nice, and it's like a good size for me to hold on the shoulder. It doesn't look very this thing. And then let me show you guys how it looks on the shoulder. And on the wrist, so that's how it looks on the wrist, like that. So it's like a good size for me. It doesn't look too big on me. And then if you want to wear it like over the shoulder like that, and remember that I just made it a little more shorter, so I could make it a little more longer to shorter, or I could make it even more shorter and take it even more up. So it's really pretty. And then guys, this top here, I love this cover up. It's so pretty. I got this from Agassi, and you would have seen this in another video too. But it's so pretty. It's like 21. I think I still have the tag because I just wore it for the videos, and then I was going to take it off. I wanted to show you guys, but then I probably didn't show you in the other video. I don't even know if I uploaded the other video. But this is from Agassi, and it was $21.90 something, but then I got it on sale for like $7.99. Where is the sale price? I think it will be somewhere here. Yeah, so for $7.99, like for $8, I got it for like $8, which was really cool. And it is so pretty, and what I like is that it has like all colors on it, right? This print is so pretty. It doesn't look like cheap or anything. It has like all the colors, so you can wear any kind of cami inside and it would still go with it. And I like that it has the slit here, so it kind of has that flowy feel, like if you're not feeling up to it, like I wasn't feeling well, or you're feeling bloated, whatever, then it's like a nice something to throw on, and then you'll still be looking okay because it'll cover everything. So I love it. It's a small size, but it's loose and nice. I love it. It's so pretty. You can wear it with any cami. Today I just wore it with this orangey red cami, but you can wear it with any of these colors. That's what I like about it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And I know I have a lot of new subscribers too. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and you're not going to regret. There will be much more things coming up. It's just very hard for me. Like if you see my Instagram, you will see how horrible pictures I put there, because it's like I'm just taking pictures from my Samsung phone somewhere, or like I don't carry this big old camera everywhere, so most of the pictures are like horrible pictures. I don't have somebody to be taking my pictures or posing for pictures or anything like that, like to take good pictures. So I need to do something about it in the future, but I need a lot of time for that. So right now it's like it's just me with this camera, so it's very hard for me to put time for anything else, like with my kids. But I know YouTube expectations are a lot with even YouTube videos or editing or even like Instagram and all, but so I'm not up there, I know that, and I hope I improve a little bit. I want to improve, but I just need to make time for it. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I know some people were wondering what I bought from TJMaxx. So this is all I got, guys. That's it. I am fine with this right now, but maybe in future someday I'll buy LV or something. But I still love watching those videos. I love watching luxury YouTubers, because I can just see them, dream about it, and it's nice even to dream about things. So so one day I'll buy it, but not now. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh yes, and also please help me reach 1,000. Please, I want to reach 1,000 subscribers at least this year. Please help me reach 1,000, because then I will actually, because right now like it's like I waste so much time, do all this videos, everything, I get nothing out of it. At least if I reach that 1,000, I'm like, I have reached something at least. So that's why please help me reach that 1,000 subscribers this year. So anybody watching my video, just don't watch and leave the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Please do subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, then you can always put the dislike too. It's okay. So thank you so much. Bye.